Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making besitos de coco, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So here I have sweetened shredded coconut, I have some all-purpose flour, pure vanilla extract, and of course condensed milk. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is add my shredded coconut. Okay. And I'm also going to add my flour. Okay. I'm also going to add my vanilla extract. And I'm going to add my condensed milk. I will have the ingredients I'm using and the amount in my description below, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Also, while I'm doing this, my oven is preheating. Okay. Now I'm just going to come and mix everything up. Okay guys, so this took me less than a minute to mix everything well. So this is the way you want it to be. Okay, so now we're gonna turn these into little balls. So what I'm gonna come and do with my clean hands, I'm gonna take some of my hands and I'm just gonna roll it around just like this. As simple as that. And this is so good. Quick, good snack. And this is all you do. And then you come in, we're just gonna place it on our pan just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do that to all my besitos and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this made me 14. You can put cherries or whatever you would like on it. I don't have any cherries at the moment, so what I'm gonna do now is just bake this for 15 to 20 minutes and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so my besitos are done and this is the way it looks. So what I'm going to do is just let it cool for like 15-20 minutes and then we're going to dig into this. Hey guys, so my besitos been cooling for 15 minutes and this is the way they look. You see? They got stuck to the pan a little bit, but you move it a little bit and look. Look at that. Look at that. I just want to show you. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see this? Hold on, let me... There you go. And they smell so good. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Again, I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description. And like always, enjoy and have a blessed day.